What if the most terrifying things in existence are the ones we were never designed to perceive? Beyond the safety of our filtered reality lies a world of crushing pressures, lethal radiation, and cosmic anomalies that defy every law of nature. From the depths of the ocean to the edge of physics, these are the sights that remain hidden for a reason, because once you see them, there is no going back. The bottom of the Mariana Trench is a place of absolute, crushing darkness, where the pressure is so intense it would liquefy bone. Down there, nightmare creatures like the anglerfish and the Dumbo octopus exist in a world where light is an anomaly, thriving in a landscape that feels more like an alien planet than a part of Earth. Deep within the restricted archives of the Vatican or the high-security bunkers of Area 51, there are documents and artifacts that have been scrubbed from public memory. These are the black sites of information, historical truths, classified technologies, and diplomatic secrets that remain hidden behind layers of steel and encryption, guarded by people who ensure they stay that way. The elephant's foot in the basement of the Chernobyl power plant is perhaps the most dangerous object on the planet. Even decades later, looking at it directly without heavy shielding is a death sentence. It is a mass of radioactive lava so potent that just a few minutes of exposure causes total organ failure, a sight that literally kills the observer. In the farthest reaches of North Sentinel Island, a tribe lives in complete isolation, having rejected the modern world for thousands of years. To see their way of life is to intrude on a prehistoric existence that has survived every empire and industrial revolution, a glimpse into a human past that is fiercely protected by those who live it. Every second, you are being bombarded by a spectrum of light and energy that your eyes are physically incapable of processing. If we could see ultraviolet rays, infrared heat signatures, and the chaotic web of Wi-Fi and radio signals crisscrossing the air, our visual reality would be a blinding, unreadable neon storm. The inside of a black hole's event horizon is the ultimate, forbidden sight. According to the laws of physics, once light crosses that boundary, it can never escape. To see the singularity at the center would mean witnessing the point where time and space cease to exist, a visual paradox that the universe refuses to share. Deep under the ice of Antarctica lies Lake Vostok, a body of water that has been sealed off from the rest of the world for 15 million years. The organisms living there have evolved in total isolation, representing a biological timeline completely separate from our own, a lost world that has never seen the sun. The dark web's deepest layers contain digital vaults and hidden forums where the worst of human nature and the most dangerous cyberweapons are traded. It is a lawless landscape of data that exists beneath the surface of the internet, a place where anonymity allows for sites and transactions that defy every social and legal boundary. Quantum superposition is a phenomenon where particles exist in two states at once until someone looks at them. The moment a human observes a quantum system, the wave function collapses and the particle picks a single state. This means we can never truly see the reality of the quantum world in its natural, fluid form. Our very presence changes the result. Buried miles underground in the global seed vault on a remote Norwegian island, the backup for human civilization is stored in sub-zero silence. These millions of seeds are the final insurance policy against global extinction. It is a library of life intended to remain untouched and unseen unless the world as we know it comes to a catastrophic end.